guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look.
And we don't need no dudes to turn up. I got that mix up in my cup to turn up.
I don't know for sure if I'm gonna call it that because I do have some new products that I've been loving and I've been using in place of the ones that I showed you in my first video, but this is exactly how I would do it with those other products as well. So nothing's really changed, just the products, and I'll let you know what's new and what's not. I exfoliated and moisturized my face already, so I'm just gonna clip my hair out of my way. Let's start off with primer. This is a new primer that I just bought and I've been loving it. It's the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. It's the hydrating primer. They have a bunch of them. This is the hydrating one. So I'll put a little bit of this on. So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm in Y245. I would say this is like a medium coverage foundation. I'm gonna be looking in the mirror doing my makeup, so I might have to like turn so you guys can see what the heck is going on, but I wanna make sure I don't look crazy before I show you. So I just blend this in with my Real Technique sponge. I'm gonna try to be blender, but like, I just can't get myself to buy a $20 blender when I switch them out so much. I don't know. This one's so nice though. I've tried the Morphe one and that one's like a little bit more make work. Okay, so that's all blended in. Put my arm, my neck, my ears, get rid of the ears, and behind the jaw right there. Okay, so for concealer, I switched it up. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. This is what it looks like. I have been loving this stuff. I love the finish of this. It's just so beautiful. Just kind of put it in a triangle shape underneath my eyes. And you don't use too much. I might like a lighter under eye, but like for every day, this is fine. I might like, after my night look, I might add some lighter concealer. So I'll blend these in. Blend this in, under the eye. Just like blends so nicely, I love it. My eyes are always so red. I have the most sensitive eyes, so I apologize if I look like crazy, but they're always red, especially if I don't get sleep. So here I am with my matcha to wake me up a little bit. Okay, so after that, I do my eyebrows. This is another thing that I switched out, but I've been loving it. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss in the shade Ash Brown. It's just another fine tip pencil, and I've been loving it. So I just kind of put a line underneath here, and then see how I'm like, my front part is really like, it's bigger than the end. So then I just try to fill in the top up there. That's basically all I do. I need my eyebrows done, and when they're done, I can do it in like 2 seconds, but it's gonna take a little bit longer today because I haven't had them done in so long. And then I kind of make hair-like strokes in the front and kind of blend it in with the rest of the hair. But I always like the tail to be darker than the front. Always, always, always. And then I take the little spoolie on the end and I just kind of blend in that line on the bottom. Okay, so I'll do the same thing with the other eyebrow. Okay, so eyebrows are done. So now we're going to bronze. I'm going to cream bronze. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel cream bronzer. And I'm going to take like an angled flat brush like this. And I'm just going to put it all over the brush. And put it right under the cheekbone. And it'll take a couple applications before you can start seeing it. This product is so dense. I mean, I can see it now, but maybe on camera it's harder to see. Okay, and I'll put a little bit up here to kind of blend that in. I don't have a big forehead, but I still like to bronze it. Just to kind of blend everything in. So we'll do the other side. I'll go on with bronzer. I forgot to mention this in my favorite, or my everyday favorite makeup products. This is the Butter Bronzer, and they just came out with new shades. This is the deep bronzer one. I just use like this tapered bronzer brush. Put some of that on my brush, and then I just kind of go over the bronzing I did, the cream bronzing I did.
Down the neck, to blend it in. This stuff blends so nicely. It's like the perfect color. I'm so glad I didn't want like darker shades because some people couldn't use those light ones. They're so light. But I do love those, especially when it's and it smells amazing. It's like a tropical island, like a drink. Nice tropical drink. Okay. And then I just kind of bring some bronzer down here to blend that in.
So the next I do blush, and for blush today, well, this is what I've been using lately, and this is the MILANI Baked Blush in Luminoso. It's a popular one. I usually go for like a coral type color. So I put that on the apples of my cheeks and kind of bring it up right above the bronzer. Next I do highlighter, and I showed you guys this is my favorite highlighter. This is going to be included in my giveaway, my Christmas giveaway. But yeah, so it's just the ColourPop shit. It's broken, so I just bought a new one. This is the Super Shock Cheek highlighter in FLEXITARIAN, my fave. So then I just kind of dab this with my finger on my cheekbone. And then do the other side to make it even. I try not to make a big section. I try to just do it like my finger width, my fingertip width. And that's as far as I'll go. And then I'll kind of just blend it in with a different finger. Because I kind of just want that look where when I turn a certain way, then you can see the highlighter. So depending on how much I want to glow, I will then add the AMREZY highlighter over the top of that. Just a little bit. We'll do it today, just a little bit. And then, okay, so I don't really wear eyeshadow every day, but if I do, this is the palette that I've been using a lot lately, and I love it so much. This is the ColourPop Double and Tender. I think I'm saying it right. Eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It's got a lot of neutral colors in there and bronzy looks, and I'm all for it. So yeah, it's so nice. I'm not gonna do like a full look today. I'm just gonna use these in my crease, these two colors right here. So just to define the crease a little bit. Sometimes I use bronzer, and I do have concealer on my eyelids, so that's kind of the base that I use for a primer before eyeshadow. I have really small hooded eyes, so I kind of go outside of my crease to make my eyes appear a little bit bigger. And then I also like to bring my eyeshadow in like all the way to my nose. And that's only when there's like nothing left on the brush. I don't nose contour, but sometimes I just take a little bit of my bronzer with that same eyeshadow brush, and I just kind of do the sides. Just to kind of mesh like what I put right here and then going down to my nose together. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and I have a trick for those with straight eyelashes. I don't know, whoever has straight eyelashes, let me know your tricks because your girl needs them. I don't do this all the time, but when I remember and when I have time and I'm not in a hurry, I will do this. Take my eyelash curler and a blow dryer, and I just run it under the blow dryer for about, just till it gets hot, but you don't want it like scorching hot over in your eye, and your eye will fall out. Then I will curl it, and it's kind of like a curling iron. And you don't want to do it too hot, like just warm enough to where it'll help hold your eyelashes up. I really want to get a lash lift to see if I'll like it. Just please make sure you don't do it too long, and you make sure you feel it before you put it on your eye, because it really hurts when you burn your eyelid. It can get really hot. And another tip, you could run it under hot water, wipe it off with like a paper towel, and then it will be warm that way too if you don't have a blow dryer. So normally I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Original in Black Noir, but today I'm gonna try the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber. Well, I've already tried it, so I lied. But it's got like 2 steps, and it's been working pretty good for me. The first step is just like a primer and mascara, the mascara part, and then the second one is like a fiber, and you just add it on top. So I go on with this. I got some mascara on my eyelid, so my trick is to just take a spoolie like that and just like wait till it dries, and then you just brush it. Brush it over the mascara, and then it just like falls off, like it'll flake off or just come off eventually. Just don't stab your eye or scratch your eye with it, be gentle. Okay, so something happened to my camera and it totally missed like the end of my video, so I kind of have to redo this. I went in with, I think it left off at the mascara part, and I went in with the fiber side of this mascara. It just adds some length to your lashes. So I did that, and then I went ahead and did my lips. Today, I forgot to mention this in my favorites because this is definitely a color that I go to all the time. It's my favorite. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. It's just kind of like a cool tone brown. I'm obsessed with it. Well, I lined my lips with the NYX lip pencil in Nutmeg. It's another favorite. I love their lip liners. They're really, really good and affordable. There you have it. That is the finished look. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Also, I wanted to mention my Christmas giveaway in this video. So in my Christmas giveaway, I want to show you guys what's going to be in it. This is the ColourPop Color Intender palette that I used today. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I also have another Morphe palette in here. I love this packaging. They have a nice big mirror on it. And then I'm obsessed with that color. I wanted to keep this for myself, but I'm gonna be selfless this Christmas, okay? These are really pretty colors, especially for going out looks. It's called the Morphe 9N About Last Night palette. I added in the ColourPop Shayla Collab lip gloss. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Neat Freak. It's such a pretty glittery gloss. I'm obsessed with it. I added in my favorite ColourPop highlighter in Flexitarian. And then I just added this because I've been loving it. This is the Lip Treatment Duo. It's a lip scrub and lip balm with sunscreen in it from Trader Joe's. And you know, this is perfect for the winter. I love this stuff so much, and it smells really good and has really good ingredients in it. So yes, if you would like to enter my Christmas giveaway, then please comment on this video, follow me on all my social media, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also include your Instagram name so I can message you when I pick a winner. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.